Pterodactyl here, and I got another troubleshooting video we're going to show you here, a real quick one. And I don't know how much more I can stress the importance of having tools. You got to have tools to troubleshoot this stuff. So this one, I could hear when it come in, it had a problem with the spark because it was cutting in and out. So what you're going to want to do is watch this spark tester on this side. We got two spark testers on there, but I want you to watch the one on this side. Because what it's going to do, you're going to hear the motor kicking in and out, running on one cylinder, and then kicking out and kicking into two. So watch that tester. See, this thing was running, it probably sounded fine to you, but it's run on one cylinder, and you saw that thing fluttering. So the next thing you're going to want to do is disconnect the kill wires, just to make sure that ain't the problem. So we got a bad coil. So I went out in the junkyard and I found another coil for this Vanguard. Now you look, it's different. This is the new style coil. Look at this guy, really takes care of this thing. So I'm gonna swap this coil out and then we're gonna listen to it and see how it runs. Okay, I put the new used coil on there and I cleaned it up in my solvent tank and blew it off. And then I set the air gap. I set it at 12 thousandths. And I got my spark tester hooked back up again. So now we're gonna start it. Easy peasy. That's all you gotta do. Buy some tools, okay? And pay attention to videos when I'm talking in them, okay? And there's your dinner.